How to earn ride credits on Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to earn ride credits on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. Tap onto You button at the bottom. Then here you can find Refer a Friend, select it. Now share your unique referral code. Your friend must apply the referral code before their first ride to ensure both of you receive the credits. Next is promo codes. Now tap on to rewards right here. From here, new users can access codes like rider discount for 50% off their first 2 rides. Check platforms like Groupon for current Lyft promo codes. Now tap on to enter code plus and from here simply enter your promo code. Next is Lyft Pass. If your employer or organization provides a Lyft Pass, you will receive a code or invitation. Now go to payment right here. Select it. And here you can find the Lyft Pass. Now tap on it. Now from here simply enter the code and you will get your Lyft Pass. And that's it. This is how you can earn ride credits on Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.